it's Ashley with the Kingdom Code. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your kit. So make sure before we get started that you have 3 1-inch binders and 6 zipper pouches. And we advise that you have the clear front of the zipper pouches so you can see what's in there, and you're going to be placing a sticker on the front of those. And I strongly encourage that you let your children pick these out. It's so much fun to get to personalize this. And also make sure when you're putting this together that your children help you. They're gonna learn some filing and organizing skills, and they're also going to know where all their stuff is at. So if you're asking them to go get an activity sheet, they're gonna know exactly where it's at. So make sure you bring them along as we go through this little journey. Okay, so first of all, you have your textbook, fully colored textbook, spiral bound. And then inside, you're also gonna have your student packet. Your student packet is going to have your budget kit within that, and then it's also gonna have 3 posters, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with those. Also, we have a complete starter kit, and we also have a student starter kit. So the difference in the two is the complete starter kit has your textbook, your teacher's guide, your KCK budget kit, and your activities, your student packet. The difference in the complete starter kit and the student starter kit is that the student starter kit will have all of that except for the teacher's guide. So just keep that in mind. Your 3 1-inch binders are going to be your teacher's guide, your activities book, and your budget kit. So if you have just a student starter kit, you're only going to need 2 1-inch binders. So let's get going. So we're going to assemble, if you've got your teacher's guide, you'll want to make a copy of the front page, that page, and then you're going to put it in the front so you know that that's your teacher's guide. The activities binder is going to look like this. You're going to take those 2, you're going to get 3 posters, and you're going to set this one to the side. This is your budget kit, and we're going to go over that in just a second. So the other 2 posters are going to be the front and the back of your activities binder. Within your activities binder, you're going to have 5 dividers, and you're also going to have your flashcards and your map here at the back. So the children can either put 3 holes in this and put it in the back, or they can slide it into the pocket with their stickers, or they can hang this up and display it on their wall so they can, it's an exciting little piece. So our first divider is going to be your current work divider, and that's of course for their current work as they're going through. They can move that to the front. Your second divider is your activities. So all of the lessons have, not every one of them, but your lessons have activities to go along with them. And it's going to tell you at the top, activity 1 goes with lesson 1. So all of these activities will be in that divider. Your next divider is going to be your forms and notices. There you're going to put your calendar and all your extra forms and notices. Your next tab is going to be your worksheets, and that's going to be the black and white worksheets that will be going there. And your last one is that treasure builder that we just went over. Okay, so that will complete this activities binder. Our last binder is going to be the KCK budget. So this extra poster that we talked about earlier, you're going to put in the front of that. And then you will be putting your stickers that come in there on the front of your zipper pouches. And like I said, you're going to have 6 of these. You're going to have the J, O, E, Y, S, and then your B for your business keeper. As you're going through this, all of your money for your business is going to go into the business keeper pouch. When they get to lesson 27 is where they're going to learn how to divide up and budget into each of the categories. So in the meantime, I strongly recommend that you put this somewhere in a safe place since it's going to have all of your money. So make sure you have a safe place to put your business money into. And also, hopefully you guys are going to have a whole lot of money in here from your business, and make sure this whole binder goes into a safe place. Also, along with your kit, you're gonna get the KCK receipt book. Okay, and that should be everything. Make sure you guys like our Facebook page, The Kingdom Code, and visit our website, thekingdomcode.com. And please contact us if you have any questions at all. And keep us posted on how your children do, and we wish you all the very best. Thank you guys.